have with us our Honorable Chief Minister of India, Shri Balraj Kesam, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of PWD, and the Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills and Student News of Southwest Khasi Hills, and other officials and from PWD and other departments, as well as various local leaders in and around Market.
Express our gratitude to the Government of India for bringing this big development of this road infrastructure in this part of Southwestern Hills and particularly at Mokala. Jangan oleh, kami yang berhak bagi air hati kepada kita kepada Government Malaysia. Kami yang berhak. Thank you so much, sir.
इसको गूगल ने अंकट करेगा प्रोजेक्ट कलावन तो प्लेस पun Ilom sisya ibu di badan kok. Ini seri boy ini pun saksi kat padang yok susu di Surok bagi jaga di padang sah. Dan rei kata ikat pali ke jom di mentah. Nomor dari yang sawat. Please pun.